Hello friends, today we are going to the study of thermochemistry. First definition of thermochemistry. The study of enthalpy change in chemical reactions is called thermochemistry. Now we can see the some terms about the thermochemistry. We can see one by one. First, enthalpy of chemical reaction. The enthalpy of chemical reaction is denoted by delta small r at the bottom in front of this capital H. First we can see the expression and then definition of enthalpy of chemical reaction. First, let a chemical reaction A plus B, it gives products C plus D with coefficients of A reactant is small a, B reactant is small b, C product is small c, and D products is small d. The enthalpy change of this reaction is delta RH is equal to the enthalpy of these products minus enthalpies of these reactants. Therefore, the enthalpy of C plus the enthalpy of this D in one bracket with coefficients of this C is right here C, and for this D product is right here D in one bracket minus the enthalpies of these reactants in another bracket plus the enthalpy of these B reactants with their coefficients. That means A reactant write here A coefficients, for B reactant write this B coefficients in another bracket. Therefore, this equation also can be written as like this: the enthalpy of reaction or enthalpy of chemical reaction is the summation of these enthalpies of products minus the summation of enthalpies of reactants. The summation of enthalpies of products minus summation of enthalpies of reactants. Therefore, from this equation, we can define the enthalpy of reaction or enthalpy of chemical reaction like this: difference between the sum of enthalpies of the products and the sum of enthalpies of the reactants with each substance in definite physical states, and amounts, that is moles, are represented by the coefficients in balanced equation, is called enthalpy of reaction or enthalpy of chemical reaction. In this equation, Hc, Hd are the enthalpies of Hc and D products, where Ha and Hb are the enthalpies of reactant A and B. Now, the exothermic and endothermic reactions. First, see exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction. Exo is out. Therefore, definition of exothermic reaction is reaction in which heat is released. In this, the summation of enthalpy of products, summation of enthalpy of product is smaller than the summation of enthalpies of reactants. For example, the decomposition of potassium chloride to KClO3 to KClO3 decompose into KCl, potassium chloride, and oxygen molecules. potassium chloride and oxygen molecule. The physical state of this KClO3 is solid, right here solid, and after decomposition it gives KCl and oxygen gas. That is, the physical state is a solid plus the physical state of oxygen gas is Z. The balance this equation, right here 2 and 3 to the 6 oxygens, that means 3, right here 3 to the 6, and it's the enthalpy of reaction is minus 78 kilojoule. I am writing here enthalpy of reaction is minus 78 kilojoule. That means negative sign indicates that here heat is evolved or released. Now the endothermic reaction. Endo means in. Therefore, definition of endothermic reaction is like this: the reaction in which heat is absorbed. In this, the summation of enthalpy of product is greater than the summation of enthalpies of reactants. Example, the reaction between nitrogen gas and oxygen gas to produce nitrogen dioxide. Nitrogen gas and oxygen gas, there is formation of nitrogen dioxide gas. The balance the reaction here N2, therefore write here 2NO2, 2 to the 4, therefore here write 2O2, and its change in enthalpy of reaction is 66.4 kilojoule. The enthalpy of reaction is equal to 66.4 kilojoule. This is positive because heat is absorbed. Now, the thermodynamic standard state, the standard state of substance. It is a form in which the substance most stable at 1 bar pressure and 298 Kelvin temperature. If the reaction involves species in solution, its standard state are 1 molar concentration. Examples: standard state of elements, the hydrogen, mercury, sodium. Standard state of hydrogen is gas. The standard state of mercury is liquid. The standard state of sodium metal is solid. The standard state of carbon is graphite. All the standard state of these elements are at 1 bar pressure and 25 degrees Celsius temperature. Now we can see few examples of standard state of compounds. Standard state of compounds. Ethanol or ethyl alcohol having formula C2H5. Its standard state is liquid. Water, its standard state is also liquid. Another example, calcium carbonate. Its standard state is solid. Calcium carbonate. Carbon dioxide, CO2. Its standard state is gas. All these are at 1 bar pressure and 25 degrees Celsius temperature. These are the standard states of elements and standard states of compounds. Now, standard enthalpy of reaction. Standard enthalpy of reaction. Standard enthalpy of reaction is denoted by delta small r h here 0, or it may be say that not or 0, delta r h 0. That means this indicate that standard. The definition of standard enthalpy of reaction is like this. The enthalpy change accompanying the reaction when the reactants and the products involved in their standard states is called standard enthalpy of reaction. Thermochemical equation. It is balanced chemical equation in which the enthalpy change, physical states and number of moles of reactants and products are specified. Example, the combustion of methane gas having formula of methane CH4, physical state is Z plus oxygen. There is formation of carbon dioxide and water. That is, the physical state of water is liquid and the enthalpy of reaction, that is the standard enthalpy of this reaction, is minus 890 kilojoule. Now to balance this equation, here one molecule of CO2 produced and H2, here are 4 hydrogen, therefore write here 2H2O. Now here 2 oxygens and here also 2 oxygens, therefore write here 2O2. Now the interpretation or description of this equation is like this, or this equation indicates that when 1 mole of CH4 gas and 2 moles of oxygen gas in their standard states reacts to produce 1 mole of carbon dioxide gas and 2 moles of liquid water in their standard states, and enthalpy change is minus 890 kilojoule. Now the guidelines for writing thermochemical equation. These guidelines also may be say that rules for writing thermochemical equation. There are few rules for writing the thermochemical equation. We can see one by one. First rule, equation must be balanced form. Second rule, value and sign of enthalpy change, that is a delta RH0, given on the right hand side of the equation. Third rule, the physical states of reactants and products are mentioned by small s for solid, small l for liquid, small g for gas, and AQ for aqueous. Now the fourth guideline or fourth rule, if reaction reverse, the sign of enthalpy change also reverse, that is exothermic process becomes endothermic and endothermic process becomes exothermic, but magnitude remains unchanged. That means this value does not change, only sign change. And the last guideline or last rule for writing thermochemical equation is like this. The coefficients of reactants and products indicates number of moles if they are multiplied or divided by a numerical factor, then delta RH0 also multiplied or divided by the same factor. Now the standard enthalpy of formation, or it may be also say that standard heat of formation. It is denoted by delta small e of H0. The definition: the enthalpy change that accompanies a reaction in which 1 mole of pure compound in its standard state is formed from its elements in their standard state is called standard enthalpy of formation of compound. Example: the reaction between hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. There is formation of water, H2O liquid, and its change in enthalpy of reaction, that is delta RH0 is equal to minus 286 kilojoule, minus 286 kilojoule. The formation of 1 mole of liquid water in standard state from H2 and O2 gas in their standard states, and enthalpy change of this reaction is the enthalpy of formation of water, that is the delta FH0 of water. This is the delta FH0 of water is equal to minus 286 kilojoule. Give this example 1 and example number 2. The formation of methane gas. The methane gas is formed from its elements carbon and hydrogen. The physical state of carbon is graphite plus hydrogen. Physical state of hydrogen is gas. The balance equation CH4, that means right here 2 molecules of H2. Now the formation of methane gas, and the enthalpy of this reaction is minus 74.8 kilojoule. That is the enthalpy of reaction, standard enthalpy of reaction, and this standard enthalpy of reaction is the enthalpy of formation. That is the enthalpy of formation of methane is equal to minus 74.8 kilojoule. That means the formation of 1 mole of methane in its standard state from its elements carbon and hydrogen in their standard states. The standard enthalpy of reaction from standard enthalpy of formation. Here the standard enthalpy of formation is used to calculate the standard enthalpy of a reaction. Therefore, I am writing here, use to calculate standard enthalpy of reaction from standard enthalpies of formation. It is based on two terms. First one is standard enthalpy of formation of elements itself is 0. Therefore, the standard enthalpy of formation of H2 is equal to standard enthalpy of formation of Cl2 is equal to standard enthalpy of formation of carbon is equal to 0. This is the first term. Second term, the standard enthalpy of formation of a compound is equal to its standard enthalpy. That is the standard enthalpy of formation of a compound is equal to the standard enthalpy of a compound. These are the two terms. Now we can see the use to calculate the standard enthalpy of reaction from standard enthalpies of formation. Let a reaction A plus B, it gives C plus D products with coefficients. For A reactant is small a, for B reactant is small b, for C product is small c, and D product is small d. The standard enthalpy of this reaction is delta RH0 is equal to the enthalpy of products minus enthalpies of reactants, like this. The standard enthalpies of products minus standard enthalpies of reactants. The standard enthalpy of this C products plus standard enthalpy of this D products with coefficients of this C product is right here C, D product is right here D, in one bracket, minus the standard enthalpies of these reactants in another bracket, with coefficients A and these coefficients B. This equation also can be written as in the form of enthalpy of formation. The enthalpy of or standard enthalpy of reaction is equal to this right here C coefficient into the standard enthalpy of formation of this C product plus write this coefficient D into standard enthalpy of formation of this D product in one bracket, minus write this coefficient A into standard enthalpy of formation of this A reactant plus write this B coefficient B into standard enthalpy of formation of this B reactant in another bracket. From this equation we can write like this: the standard enthalpy of reaction is equal to the summation of standard enthalpy of formation of products minus the summation of standard enthalpies of formation of reactants. Therefore, I am writing like this: the summation of standard enthalpies of products, that is right here products, minus summation of standard enthalpies of reactants. Now, the standard enthalpy of combustion. The standard enthalpy of combustion is denoted by delta CH0. The definition of standard enthalpy of combustion is like this: the standard enthalpy change accompanying a reaction in which 1 mole of the substance in its standard state is completely oxidized is called standard enthalpy of combustion. The example: combustion reaction of acetylene having formula C2H2 and its IUPAC name is ethine, ETHYNE. The combustion of this acetylene gas, that means reaction with oxygen, or it is completely oxidized. The physical state of oxygen is also gas. There is formation of carbon dioxide and water molecules, plus is liquid, and its the standard enthalpy of reaction is minus 1300 kilojoule. H2O, balance this reaction. Here C2H2, therefore write here 2CO2, and oxygen are 2 to the 4 and here 1. That means there are 5 oxygens, therefore write here 5 by 2 O2. Now the reaction is balanced. the standard enthalpy change of the oxidation reaction is minus 1300 kilojoule is the standard enthalpy of combustion of this acetylene. Therefore, I am writing here that is standard enthalpy of combustion of this reaction is equal to minus 1300 kilojoule. Thank you.